Hello everybody, it's Talia and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my natural look with a pop of neon green like in the inner corner. So I'm really excited to create this look, just like a little get ready with me. Before we get started with the makeup, I do want to mention that Dossier reached out to me to do a little collaboration and they sent me out this perfume. Dossier has really affordable perfumes where it's kind of like similar to like the high-end perfumes, where it's kind of like a doe for a better price. Perfumes retail to $29 to $39 depending on the range, but max is like $39 I've seen. They have so many amazing scents on their website and I was really excited that I picked out the Fruity Magnolia, almost similar like the other high-end perfumes where it's like Versace or like Gucci or Tom Ford or other perfumes, high-end perfumes. It's the similar scents, just better price and different ingredients obviously. Super amazing that they created perfumes for a good price range. The box looks like, and when you open this up, it says scents, designer, quality, and no markups. So this is what the package looks like. It looks pretty amazing. The color really stands out when you open this package. It just looks really nice. What I picked out was Fruity Magnolia. So it has all the information here and it says inspired by Versace Bright Crystal perfume, rose, and it has amber, musk, and wood, which is really cool. Those are all the ingredients inside the perfume. This to deliver the highest quality luxury inspired fragrance at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. And that you order comes with a sample that you can test before opening the full size of 50 milliliters bottle. So it comes with a little sample, which I'm gonna show you. It's better to try the sample just to get an idea if you really like the scent. Don't like it, just return the package with the bottle and you will get a full refund, no questions asked. Comes with a little sample, very simple. A unique bottle. So this is what the bottle looks like. This one, where it says top notes, it tells you the name of it, Fruity Magnolia, and then the top it gives you like what's in the perfume, like the ingredient: Magnolia, pony, rose, and amber, musk, and wood. A clear bottle. It's like very simple, nothing too crazy, and then the cap is really magnetic, which is so cool. I think it's so great because you can just like close it. I already know the smell. Oh my gosh, this smells so amazing and it smells just like the crystal perfume. It smells so amazing. I love this. I had so many great compliments with the Fruity Magnolia. Fresh, like rose, lasts me pretty good the whole entire day, and it has so many compliments. They love the smell. Definitely gonna buy some more because I feel like they're super affordable. 29 bucks compared to the original ones. Great affordable fragrance to purchase at Dossier. They have so many good selection, guys. I'll link it down below, that way you guys can check it out. And yeah, so I really do recommend it, guys. It smells so amazing. I will be purchasing more of these perfumes. Go ahead and start with makeup, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some clips on just because I don't want my hair to be on the way. So off camera I did my brows and I also set my eyelid with concealer and powder, and I'll link all the products down below for you guys. I'm going to start with my eyeshadow, and the palette I'm going to be using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills The Prison palette. I haven't used this palette in so long, so I wanted to do like a really neutral color. So I'm gonna go ahead and take Unity, which is this like basic eyeshadow shade. I'm applying Unity like in the middle of my crease and bringing it to the inner corner. Do swirl motions. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. And then I forgot to mention, I am using the Morphe 573 eyeshadow brush. I like to bring that to the inner and then to the outer. This is like a really simple neutral eyeshadow look. And then I like to bring it all the way to the inner corner and then kind of like smudge it. And then kind of blend the top. I'm going in is this shade. It's more like a little light purple shade. And I'm gonna apply that in the middle of my crease. And then bring it into the inner corner. And then kind of blend it kind of on top, but not too close to the brow bone. Then I like to go in with a little bit more of that shade. And then bring it into the inner, and then bring it to the outer. And then kind of smudge it. Okay, I did use the Wet n Wild brush. Now I'm going back with the Morphe and then taking Unity. And make sure you tap. And then I'm going to go ahead and just blend the top. I'm going to go ahead and start with the face. And then with my NYX Hydro Touch Primer. This one is from NYX. And this is so amazing, especially if you have like dry skin. This really helps you out. So I'm going to go ahead and apply 2 drops. Like, applies all over my face. Next, I'm going in with my IT Cosmetics CC Full Coverage Cream Hydrating Serum. I love this stuff. This stuff is so amazing. This one is the shade Light, which is a little bit dark, but they didn't have fair, so I had to go with the light one, so it is all right. And I like to apply just little dots all over my face. Taking my Eco Tool sponge, and I like to spray it with a sponge, and I did use my Ulta Beauty setting spray. And it's glow to your face, and it helps a lot with dry skin, so I love it. Concealer, I am going in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This one is the shade Light. Just applying this like right here, and then I'm doing a line over here, line over here, and on my forehead area. And that's pretty much I'm gonna apply for concealer because there's not really necessary to apply so much. And contour like my face. I'm taking my Wet n Wild, and I'm taking this contour, and I'm just applying it kind of like up here, just so it can give a really nice lift to the face. And then 3 lines down my forehead area, and then my jawline, around my lips, my nose, and that is pretty much it. And then with the same sponge, I'm gonna go ahead and blend that. And with my Remmiel London Instafix Matte Translucent Powder, and I like to take this and apply in my under eyes. And I just like to apply just a little bit. There's no reason to apply so much. I used to go very crazy, but now I have been doing my makeup really different. It makes a huge difference, like less cakiness. So I like to apply powder like the side of my nose, just so my nose can be a little thinner, you know. So that is what I'm doing. What I'm going to be using is the Ultra Beauty finishing powder. This one is fair to light. I'm just taking that and applying it all over my face, just so I can set it in place, and applying it all over my forehead as well. So for bronzer, I'm going in with my Butter bronzer. This one is so amazing and it smells so good, and I hit the pan on that one. I'm just applying it. I like to dab it and apply it a little bit. I don't want to go too extreme on the bronzer, just because I already applied cream bronzer and just really want to go easy on that part. So I'm taking a little bit like around my forehead area and applying it. I like to be really bronze. It's like one of my favorites. And then I like to apply a little bit on the jawline, just slightly, a little bit, not too crazy. So for blush, I wanted to go with either the Benefit, this blush right here, which is more like a nice pink, subtle pink blush, upwards, and kind of do swirls. So I think I'll just stick with this one and then kind of apply swirls. Go ahead and remove that a little bit, just because I applied too much of that blush, way too much. So I'm taking my Equal Tools sponge and then just removing just a little bit of that. So I'm gonna go back with the eyeshadow palette and finish up my eyeshadow. Go ahead and remove the powder underneath my eyes, a little bit of that neon green, and then applying it in the inner corner, just to give a little pop in the eye. A vintage cosmetic brush, and I think I'm going to go in with Unity and then kind of apply them the under eye, but on the other side as well. Taking this purple shade right here, and I am applying that. Eyeliner, I am going in with my is Stephanie, like a really small eyeliner, not too crazy. So I am taking my mirror because I can't really see. So honestly, it's like so hard to create eyeliners. I don't know how you guys do it. I use like a powder because it's less easier to create. If you messed up, you can remove it. But with eyeliner, my lord. See, I'm already messing up my eyeliner. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. For mascara, I am going in with my Revlon So Furious Big Bad Lashes. I heard so many good things about this mascara, and honestly, I love it. It's almost similar like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but less cheaper and more affordable price. So, and apply mascara. And I think with lashes will look so pretty on this side. How long they are, like, you can't really see in the camera, but in person you can tell like they're super long. I was gonna apply like mascara on my bottom lashes, but I think I'd rather just leave it. Highlighter, I'm going in with my Tarte Pro. I'm taking the Burst highlighter, which is more like a gold. In the Burst shade, I'm just applying it upwards right here. I'm applying not too much just because I do want it to be like a very natural. Ooh, look at that glow. That's very beautiful glow. And there we go. Ooh, that is a nice glow, guys. The tip of my nose, just a little bit. And then I like to take my fingertip and then kind of like blend it where I apply my my neon green, just so it can give a really nice glow to it. Yeah. Taking my Innocent Brow Make Me Brows gel. This one is O2 Brownie Brows, and I'm just gonna go ahead and set them in place. Do the other side. I am going in with my, I'm gonna line up my lips. Lipstick, I am going in with my NYX matte lipstick. This one is the shade Butter. Lip gloss, I'm going in with my ColourPop Moonchild lip gloss. With my MAC Prime Setting Spray. My Equal Tool sponge, and just gonna go ahead and dab all the setting spray that I just applied. Okay guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. This look was pretty easy and I really like it because I can do this like every day or like a glam or something like that. So I did apply like 2 shades on the bottom just to like stand out the eyes. Other than that, this is pretty much it. I really love this eye look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.